ओम नमः शिवाय। शिव जी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। गुरु जी सदा सहाय। From the book Light of Divinity, this satsang has been converted into audio for our English speaking Sangat. Guruji reminds us to listen to the Sangat fully as it answers our doubts and questions. The blessing is shared equally by the sharer and the listener. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya. Guruji Sada Sahai.
जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, Anantam Anantam शुक्राना गुरु जी. I'm sharing satsang from Light of Divinity from page number 188 to 190. The satsang is shared by Grewal Uncle Gurgaon. Before that, I will recite Guruji's mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai, Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. Mr. Grewal, a businessman, happened to be at his father-in-law's place at the Punjab Agricultural University when Guruji arrived there with some devotees. It was late at night and everybody had langar. Mr. Grewal had to take Guruji back to the temple at Jalandhar. Guruji and he started out in a Maruti 800 and had gone some distance when Mr. Grewal realized that there was very little petrol in the car. He was worried. He was quite sure no petrol pump would be open at that time. It was the early 90s, the heyday of terrorism in the state, and people shut shop quite early. Mr. Grewal also knew that at late night hours, both policemen and terrorists prowled the roads. Sitting next to him, Guruji immediately read his mind and told him not to be afraid. Why are you so worried? Mr. Grewal remembers Guruji telling him, we have enough petrol, just keep driving. Mr. Grewal drove on, but he knew the petrol was going to give up out sooner rather than later. They had reached Gururia midway on the Ludhiana Jalandhar road. Since Guruji had spoken when Mr. Grewal felt doubts forcing their way into his mind again, Guruji responded immediately, once again with his reassurance. You are still worried. Keep driving confidently. We have enough petrol. At his words, Mr. Grewal suddenly realized that they had driven 40 kilometers from Ludhiana on an amount of fuel that would not have taken them beyond 4 kilometers. He realized that the divine will was fueling his car, not petrol. Soon they reached the Jalandhar temple without any problem. At the end of the journey, Guruji said, see, I have driven the car without petrol, but be sure to put petrol in the morning. The car will not run without it then. Mr. Grewal says, after this personal experience of the divine force, he surrendered himself to Guruji. He found that Guruji was not an ordinary saint or pandit. He is far, far above them. He is the Sadguru. There are no limitations to Guruji's grace. His is a power of compassion and towers above all. So it was in Jaipur when lakhs received Guruji's blessings. Guruji Maharaj had gone there in 1994 and stayed with Brigadier, now retired General Mohan Singh, for a month. Hundreds would come for his darshan. They came from the desert of the Rajasthan, in bullock carts and tangas, and they came with their worries and problems. Through a glance or a benediction given through the means of a copper tumbler, Guruji would help them. His devotees, Mr. Grewal being one of them, would act as an interpreter for the people. He remembers how once the members of a panchayat approached Guruji with a peculiar problem. The community well had been dry for 80 years. Could Guruji get it to fill with water? 3 days later, the answer was very loud yes. To the streets of Jaipur, the villagers came as a party, making noisy celebrations with drums along with the way and chanting. Guru Baba, the water has come. Guruji advised the exhilarated villagers never to sell the water. Others who came to him were similarly relieved, whether they were plagued by disease or agitated by mental conflict or family strife. It was not only the commoners who were blessed when Maharaja and Major Bhavani Singh came. He was carried up to Guruji by 4 people. Few days later, he was healthy enough to walk around. Sometimes it is just the heartfelt desire of a devotee that gets Guruji, the embodiment of Lord Shiva, who is framed as the Mrs. easily pleased Ashutosh to respond. It so happened when Mr. Grewal's wife, Mrs. Rimple, Guruji was with the Sangat in district Sandra Anjam. He asked Mrs. Rimple to come before him and materialize 2 beautiful diamond studs and place them on her hands. The Guru's present was gift wrapped in English form. 12 years after they were gifted to his wife, they still retain a rosy fragrance typical of Guruji's presence. At other times, Guruji gives specially needed blessings. New Year Eve was being celebrated by the Sangat at the residence of Mr. Grewal's father-in-law. Suddenly, a shower of petals came forth from the air and continued falling on his father-in-law for a couple of minutes. Another 10 minutes later, a lady devotee, Mrs. Barden, was similarly blessed. The miracle showed the Guru's love for his disciples. For, as Mr. Grewal says, Guruji needs nothing from you. In fact, he takes your misery-causing karma upon himself to relieve you of suffering. All he wants is your love and faith. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Anantam Anantam Shukrana Guruji.